Nah, you're good. Stay in the ring, Kyle. So, Kyle, you've been one of the top stars of Mad Dog Pro Wrestling from the very beginning. Do you think tonight is the night you finally get your big break out there?
Listen, I know that there's a lot of people here all think that belt is theirs. They are dreaming. This belt is mine. There's nothing that is going to stop me.
Very oily.
So, Chakal, you're one of the biggest wrestling legends in Quebec. How do you feel about tonight?
The thing is,
Fake news!
nothing is for granted. You have to prove yourself night in, night out,
I know,
and that's what I'm gonna do tonight. Good luck, buddy. You deserve it. I deserve it. Let's find out.
Kyle doesn't need luck. Kyle's just the best.
The following contest is scheduled for one fall. Introducing first, from Toronto, Ontario, Canada.
Woo!
Weighing in at 225 pounds, Kyle Nicolson!
You're the best.
And his opponent. He's from Laval. He's from Quebec. He's
Whoa!
from Canada. Weighing in at 225 pounds, Chakal!
But you seem nice. Kyle's better. We have no choice. Oh, move, ref. Yeah, let's go, Kyle! Whoa! That seems a little sloppy. It's okay, we forgive you! Everyone's allowed a mistake. We still love you. Oh! Oh, no. It's bad too. Why was that bad? I don't know. I don't know. Kyle, you're good. Come on, Kyle! I don't know. You're good. We love you. What's the argument? Where's the beef? Seemed like 3. Yeah, Kyle! Woo! Oh! 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 Come on, Kyle, bounce back! 2. Like 1.5. Woo! Yeah, Kyle! I don't think he's supposed to pull his sword. Yeah.
You have tape on your heads for a reason.
I don't know why he's trying to turn him bad.
No. And if it doesn't happen, it's like it's
Oh!
Oh, Kyle, you're being really mean!
Oh!
Scared to cheer. I don't know if it's going to cheer for you anymore.
You have that guy.
Don't knock a man while he's down, Kyle. Well, I don't know anymore. Oh! You're not winning right now, Kyle! Woo! Kyle, 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 Kyle. He barely had a chance to get up. Woo! You got this, Kyle. If you're good. Show them who you are. Oh, Bill, Kyle, you can't scratch. Oh my God, Bill! Rise above, Kyle! Rise above! Just do it, Kyle! But we liked you! You were good! Woo! You saved yourself a lashing, sir. Boo! 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 Cheating is no way of winning! Rise above, Kyle!
Kyle!
No, Kyle, no one tells you what to do. He doesn't tell you, Kyle. You tell him. No, boo! We don't like you anymore. That's not nice. We hate you now. Stop! That's, I don't like that. Boo! Boo! Come on, man, we liked you.
As a result of the disqualification, your winner is Chakal.
Yes, Kyle.
Both of you suck!
You lost it! You lost our faith!
Wow. I'm so sorry for the disgusting display of violence.
Yeah, boo!
Kyle, I always tell people that you're one of the best wrestlers we have. I'm
Not
What's
anymore!
happening with you?
I am one of the best wrestlers we have.
Boo!
The idea that I need to compete in a tournament for this title is ridiculous.
You're ridiculous!
If I'm so ridiculous, why you filmed me to watch back over and over and over again? Being
It's for
nice
your mom.
and doing what you people want me to do has gotten me nothing. Nothing. But embracing this violence, teaming with Genesis, it's gonna bring me great things.
Okay, get off the stage!
Get out of my ring.
No, you get out! You leave! Go away! We don't like you! Kyle sucks! Kyle sucks! Kyle sucks! It's not a good chance.